I'm Hannah Meador, and today I'm going to teach you how to make cornmeal muffins. For your ingredients, you're going to need buttermilk cornmeal, baking spray, oil, milk, and an egg. The things you are going to need is a bowl, a muffin tray, your cup, a bowl, and a spoon. Your first step is to preheat your oven to 450 degrees. There we go. Okay, step 2, you're going to crack your egg and put it in a bowl like I already have. Step 3, you're going to measure the rest of your ingredients and put it in the bowl. First, we have the 1 1/3 cup of milk. So you pour 1 cup, pour it in there. And then that's more than 1/3, but I guess I'll be okay. Okay, now you're going to need 1/4 cup oil. You pour that in with your milk. Next, you're going to need 2 cups of this warm milk. You're going to take the egg you have already over here, and you're just going to stir it up until it's all orange. Like this. Now you're going to pour it into that bowl. And then you're going to stir all of this together. And make sure when you stir, you don't make it like, I don't know how to explain this, keep it lumpy. Like, it still needs to keep lumps in it, but just make sure you stir all the stuff in it together. Once you've done that, you're going to take your baking spray and you're going to spray all of the muffin things. That was a lot. Don't use all your baking spray. And now you take this and stir a little bit more. And you're going to pour it into your muffin thing. Ugh. Make sure you only fill it up halfway, because if you fill it up more, these muffins are going to be huge. And then you just put this in the oven for about maybe 10 minutes, and your product will look like this. Thank you for watching.